My name is Richard, product specialist for the Backhoe range. Together with Adrian, we'd like to walk you around the features of our products. Let's look at the Backhoe. There's a choice of a standard or deep dig dipper stick with digging depths from 4.37 meters down to 5.64 meters. The curve style boom ensures greater clearance when working over obstacles and enables trucks to be loaded closer to the backhoe in confined spaces. The side shift backhoe enables trenches to be dug close to walls. It's quickly repositioned by use of the bucket or dipper stick. High dipper stick and bucket cylinder digging forces ensures high trenching outputs in the toughest ground conditions. Large diameter cylinders provide high slew torque, which is beneficial when backfilling and leveling trenches. Automatic end-of-stroke cylinder cushioning ensures smoother operation and protects the cylinders from overload in boom and slew functions. There's a choice of mechanical or hydraulic quick attaches that pick up standard and heavy-duty buckets. Both versions save time and money. Standard mechanical controls are available in a choice of operating patterns: SAE, ISO, or X pattern to satisfy all operator preferences. Pilot controls can quickly be changed between ISO and SAE operating pattern at the flick of a switch. On pilot-operated backhoes, the right-hand joystick uses a thumb slider switch to control the extending dipper stick. Double activation of the slider switch will automatically operate the extender for full travel, in or out, on the TLB 890 and TLB 990. The slider on the left-hand joystick operates the auxiliary hydraulic circuits. Double activation of the slider in either direction delivers constant oil flow for the TLB 890 and TLB 990. The TLB 850 is fitted with an outer slide deep dig dipper stick, which incorporates mounting points for the fitment of a thumb attachment, which makes the TLB 850 an extremely versatile machine for ground clearance work. The TLB 890 and TLB 990 feature an inner slide deep dig dipper stick with fast extension and retraction times. The inner slide wear pads are lubrication free and are easy to adjust and replace. Two auxiliary circuits are available to power attachments. Both circuits can operate single and double acting attachments such as rock breakers and earth augers. The dual function transport lock is a major feature throughout the range. It locks boom and slew functions from inside the cab. Let's sum up the backhoe. Curve style boom, high dipper stick and bucket cylinder digging forces, high slew torque, automatic end of stroke cushioning as standard in boom and slew functions, continuous oil flow to attachments on the TLB 890 and TLB 990. Thumb attachment available for TLB 850. Twin auxiliary circuits and an in-cab operated backhoe dual transport lock.